Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Deep and Unique by Nuryshx. So the first thing I do before I even open the kit is wash my hands. Now I need to wash my face. I wash my face with cold water. And I like to shake it a few times just so I can get the serum to go down into the base. Now the first area that I like to focus on is my forehead, just because I get those forehead wrinkles. So that's what I'm going to start with. I do an up and out motion on my forehead. Up and out. So I'm going to skip my under eyes and I'm going to go to my smile lines right here. My forehead on my skin is my problem area, so before I'm done with my microneedler, I go right back in, right between my eyebrows. Up and over. Okay, so now I just wait for the serum to dry. You can feel your face tightening. As the serum's drying, your skin feels super tight and plump, and the redness will go down for me in about 30 minutes. I like to just let it do its thing. And that's it. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and the job is done.